Happy birthday! Woo!
Do you not get the concept?
I don't really wanna stay, I don't really wanna go. Can we get it together? So it is evening time, guys, and I am trying my best to beat my face. Do I have lights? Yeah, we have some light over here. Hopefully this is enough. So this is a fresh face. I need to moisturize. Where's my moisturizer? Listen, and these brows need urgent attention. Cause why are they looking like this? Why? So usually I just go in and I fill them in with my regular anchor pencil. It's sharpening. And yeah, that's what I usually use. I think I have like one of those pens, but I don't use it. Don't ask me why. So just filling in. And what I do is like I create a little outline first, top and bottom, and then I go in. Well, let me finish this brow, Shanice. And then I go in and kind of like mimic some hair strokes at the front. Yeah. This is what we have working with. I don't go too dark at the front because I want it to like have this sparse natural look. So yeah. And as it stands, I have 30 minutes to get ready. Where are you going? 30 minutes. 30, yes. Like I was here just idling away and not even realizing that it was so late. Because we're supposed to leave out at 6:30 and it's now 6 o'clock. So hopefully I can get these brows. Listen, these are not even cousins at this point. Why do they look so? Let me look at them related at all. Usually I go for cousins because obviously I can't get twins out of my brows. Twins? Nah. So I usually go for cousins. So as I mentioned, it is a birthday dinner that we're attending. And as I said, I don't really know if I want to go like full glam or neutral, but we're trying to make it happen. Whatever we get tonight, I don't think we can go full glam. I almost say full glam, but I mean like shadows, contour, highlight, like the works. I don't think I have time for that. And to be honest, I don't think I'm interested in that type of makeup look anymore, if we're being honest. I have primer here. Yeah, I should add some primer in the meantime so it can like sit on my face. So yeah, I'm gonna let the primer sit on my face while I work on my brows. I'm gonna like how my brows look. Let's just put that out there. For my birthday, I think I want to get like some microbladed brows or something. Right? Something I have to go on for the brows this year. Something I have to go on. As you can see, there's glue, but don't mind the glue. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop talk, speed this up, and you can watch me beat the face. Okay? No, baby, March.
You're close. You're close.
Well, I'm only remember I'm Faye's birthday, so it's fine.
Jammer, when is mommy's birthday?
March. What?
Oh my god. Jammer, when is daddy's birthday?
Javi just said it.
Don't tell it. Alright, Jammer, when is Javi's birthday?
You already know.
You don't know if you don't know.
Seriously, John? I told you. It's February 2.
Alright, Jammer, when is your birthday?
I never know. Boom, I have no birthday.
You don't know if you're going to.
What am I doing?
In your bosom.
So, Jammer, who you cut the cake with?
Everybody in my all my class.
Them are cuts about who for cut cake. Everybody want cut cake with you.
What do you mean?
I'm sure.
You never have enough friend until
Here we go again.
like grade 5, grade 6.
Okay, so.
Big man thing.
And for good reason, because you're not a nice person.
I was not a nice person.
You still aren't, don't I mean I was
I'm
not.
a nice person.
Then at the car, Jamie was like making fun of the whole birthday. Said, Jamie, yeah, we had a birthday in my class and you weren't there. Da, 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 da. We ate all the cake and we didn't leave anything. Like, he just literally tried to do everything to make Jamie feel. But I'm like, I don't say your father, child. I see him together, though. No one made him have no friends. So I'll just contour with the palette here only. I really don't have a time right now. Need some blush. Where is my blush? There you are. People don't even know the blush name. Floral blush from BH Cosmetics. I've had this blush for like 10 years. Like, blush ever finished? Like, I don't understand. I don't think blush can done. Because I've had this blush for as long as I've known myself. And it's still going strong. I still haven't hit pan. Well, just a little bit of pan. And it's not really pigmented, but it gets the job done. And I've never tried like cream blush before, but you know it's never too late. Tell me if my cheeks look rosier now. Feel like me I'm moving at slow motion though, because I should have done a long time, like ages ago, right? Because I'm not doing much. I like to put a little on my nose. I feel like my nose have like a natural shine to it. I don't even have to put highlight. You know, it's a highlight with tip of my nose and like the bridge. No, I'm gonna have to do that. And I also take the blush over my lids. Murder of Samantha, guys. I'm not a professional MUA. Please don't do the madness you wanna see me do here. Okay? Another look reverse contour. Nothing extra. Just to kind of chisel out the contour here. I don't know if you guys can see. Next side. And guys, if it's one thing my granny always tell me, to never leave home on an empty stomach. So Zaddy brought me home, what is this, chicken fried rice. So I'm gonna eat some of this before I leave. Yeah, we go to a restaurant, but how many times we go to a restaurant, go sit down and wait for food until you feel like you want to drop down? Yeah. Not gonna happen on my watch. What else I need to do now? I'm going under like my waterline with this black anchor pencil. And it's just today I realized that I have like a lot of lower lashes. Because you know the girls are wearing like falsies on the lower lash. I don't feel like I need to, because they're already so full. So I'm just gonna go ahead with some mascara. And I'm putting it on the lower lash line only. I need to get up. Bomba! Nearly blind myself, guys. This is my Make It Last setting spray, and it is from Milani. Yes, my love. I'm gonna give you some cake shortly. Give me a sec. Like cake?
Okay, that sounds good.
Alright. Next we need to sort out my hair because I feel like it's still not dried. Ugh. Like it's still not dried down properly. Let's see, moment of truth. Figured as much. It's wet. And these are the earrings that I'm wearing. Silver to match with my purse and my shoe. So yeah guys, I'm gonna finish up and then I'll catch y'all when I'm done and ready because this is looking a mess. The hair is a mess. Everything is just a mess, right? So guys, I am all dolled up and ready to go. Hair is still wet, but we move. This is the final look. Put on a little lip gloss. Like me didn't want to go for a red lip, but something I tell me say girl no bother with it. So my outfit of the night, I'm gonna try and give you guys like a full fit, but it's one of my samples from a fashion show that I did the other day. It's black with some like red balloon details at the end, and it's so cute. I rocked it with some silver heels and a silver clutch. So yeah, that's it for the festivities. So let's go. We're a bit late, but you know, that's a regular thing around here, okay? Follow with it. You will have a good time.
Girl, I said you feel weak in her legs.
Yeah, man.
Good try.
But I did get you though.
You never get none. You just get me and say you feel weak in her legs.
Okay, alright.
That's all it is.
So got soup.
You prefer that one there?
No, I'm good with this one. So I got a cream of pumpkin. Jason's having red peas. I hate red peas soup. Yeah. The one I was trying to convince Sean to get that. And Sean said, yo, who wanna buy it? Perfect. Target audience right there. The light in the back. And the can crop. I don't know, I have to send them with him and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, but what's the exact
In the hospital.
Yeah. Alright. Where put your money?
What would it look
When you're a kid. When you're a kid.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's with of the one in old house?
Relax, but yes. I got a strawberry daiquiri virgin, of course. I don't know, I'm gonna drink quick coffee.
Your turn.
My turn. So we're just done with our game of charades. Yes, please.
One here.
So
Somebody else order Alfredo pasta?
yes. Oh, I thought it was you. So I got Alfredo pasta. The pasta is looking very creamy, I might add. So I'm looking forward to it. I might also look forward to Jason's food when it comes. So hey guys, stay tuned. This looks nice though. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Woo! Thank you. There was the light all along. Yeah, hold it up, hold it up. Guys, the dinner is over. These people want to go to Tap Bar, but if you know me, you know I'm sleepy, so I don't want to Tap Bar.
Oh, sorry, shit. Sorry. Like, me never realized.
Oh my god.
Like, honest.
Victor, you did this, Victor. Victor, you did it, Victor. So you want to go to Tap Bar? If you want to go to Tap Bar, we can go to Tap Bar. I've never been to Tap Bar, but if you want to go to Tap Bar, we can go to Tap Bar and get some drinks. It is what it is. So yeah, guys, yeah, dinner was lovely. What food? What the food? Oh, thank God. I can leave a little food. So the pasta was good. Just to get oxtail. The oxtail was okay because I had some and it was okay. So yeah, that's it for the night. If we get up to anything else, I'll definitely, bring you guys along. But as it stands, your girl is tired, so yeah.
One more year.